Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I am making black-eyed peas for a New Year's Eve party. So let me get started. I have one celery stick. I'm going to add a little sugar, stevia to the pot. I have a half a onion. I have some thyme seasoning that I'm going to add to the pot, lemon pepper, 4 garlic cloves, just a pinch of baking soda to help prevent gas. You know what I'm talking about. All right, let's get started. I added 1 tablespoon of butter. Hot a little bit. Butter. I have 1 large turkey wing I'm going to add to the pot here so I can saute it in this butter. So I'm going to add that. And now I have this in my Instant Pot on saute. And I just added some pieces of turkey meat in there. I'm going to let it saute for a little bit. It smells so good in that butter. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, onions, and celery to the pot. This is the way I make my southern black-eyed peas. I'm going to let this saute for about 5 minutes in this pot. And then I'm going to add some water to the pot and then add my other ingredients to the pot. I have added 2 cups of water. I added 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and about a teaspoon of thyme to the water there. What I like to do is taste my water before I place it in the pot, just to make sure I have enough seasoning in it. And I'm going to go ahead and add like a third, well, probably half packet of stevia. Yeah, that's about half there. And I'm going to mix it up. And I have to add some salt. I'm going to do a ½ teaspoon of basil, ½ teaspoon of rosemary. All right, I'm going to mix everything again. And the last thing I'm going to do is add the salt. Everything is looking good in the pot. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt to the water. I'll taste it. It tastes good. And let me add a pinch of baking soda. Pour it over the chicken in the pot. See how it looks. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another cup of water. I just tasted the water again. It tastes really good. So let's put the top on this Instant Pot and let it cook for 30 minutes. Black-eyed peas smell delicious. They're perfectly cooked. I turned off the Instant Pot, so I'm gonna place them in a pot and refrigerate them until New Year's Eve. But they look fantastic. Juicy with 3 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt, and just gorgeous. And the meat is tender and everything is just great. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful year, and thank you so much for watching my videos.